Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Google is providing the free AI courses 2026 and get certified by the Google, YouTube and MIB. MIB is the Ministry of the Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. So AI Skill House, this is the Scholarship India, free scholarship is there and free world class AI courses, Gemini, Vertex AI, Veo AI Studio and get certified by the Google, YouTube and MIB. So this is the 100% free and enroll now and build your AI future. So your certificate will be looks like this. This is the certificate of completion issued by IICT. This is the Indian Institute of Creative Technology and AI Skill House. There's a Google expertise and your badge. So certified that your name will be there, has successfully completed foundation course on AI readiness on the partnership with Google and YouTube. So date of completion and this is your certification ID. So want to learn to the artificial intelligence for the free, so earn the industry recognized certificate. This video explains everything about the AI skill house and a major initiative by the Google, YouTube and Indian Institute of Creative Technology, that is the IICT, and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to help the India and next generation of the creator, developer and student build future ready AI skill. So there is a official link is there. When we'll open the official link, this is the aiskillhouse.iict.org. This is the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, Government of India, supporting the India next generation of the creator with the new AI skill. So all the other details will be there. The building on the foundation, Google, YouTube and IICT have joined forces with the Ministry of the Information and Broadcasting to launch the AI skill initiative. This program designed to the equip India creator, developer and future ready expertise. So there is a enroll now option is there. One mission powering India creative future with AI, and there is a Google AI skill house and YouTube. So free access to world class AI courses for the student, creative, a professional across the India industry, allowing hands-on experience and with cutting edge tools like the Gemini, Vertex AI and Veo. So who is this for? So the creator and creative process for professional developer and technology. So be a future ready. So page one, there's a foundation online. So duration is 33 hours of completion, Google Career Certificate and AI Essential, Promoting Essential, Google Cloud Gen AI Learning Path, there is introduction to Generative AI, Gen AI Leader Path. So in phase two, there is the specialization, this is the hybrid made. By successfully finishing the phase one, you gain exclusive access to the additional project-based education focus on the AI tools and art storytelling and YouTube-based practices. So duration 4 hours for the completion. So using this and earn the industry recognized certificate. So this is the certificate will looks like. And take a next step towards the future ready learning. So enroll now. So there is a FAQs is there, frequently asked question. So what is the AI skill house, MIB and ICT program? There is a two-page national initiative design and bridge the gap between the academic learning and creative industry. So student creator foundational knowledge and practical expertise in Google AI tools like Veo, AI Studio and Gemini to prepare this them for the goal creative. So who can eligible for apply? So program open for the student creators, professionals across India. So other FAQs are there. So there is options to you can click on this enroll now and you have to provide your details, so your name, email address, phone number, gender and application type, student or professional, and there is a Google skill public URL. So any skill URL, just skill.google, so you can provide this URL and submit your registration. So this is the process, and where creative meets generative AI, a free limited seat program. So there is a limited seat, so as soon as possible you apply this. So in this video, we have learned about the what is AI skill house, who can apply free AI, phase one foundation, 33 hours, specialization, and other details are there. So there who can apply student content creator, YouTuber, designer, filmmaker, developers, IT professional, digital creator, AI enthusiast. So program highlights is there. This is a free access world-class AI courses and other details are there. If you are looking for the future proof your career on AI, and content creation technology. This initiative excellent opportunity to gain valuable skill credential. So all the step-by-step process you have to follow for this. And disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail. The mail ID is given on the description. And do you have any question, then drop them into the comment box, and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.